What are we doing right now?
I'm doing a mating call for crawfish.
Okay.
Little bugs.
Okay,
Ready?
let's do it.
Get over here now.
Now, how often does that work?
You know, I'm really not sure. That was just your first-hand look at it, so we'll find out later if that's really going to work.
Come here, little crawfish. I'm drunk.
You little crawfish, get in my belly.
Suck my tail! Suck my tail!
Crawfish calling? It's easy. It's all about the position of your hand. What you do is you get your hand right here, then you put your cell phone in it, and you dial up Shane's Acadiana Crawfish. Shane, give me 2 sacks. Yep, select. Alrighty.
Hey, crawfish. Hey, crawfish. Come here.